Meanwhile, massive cash haul that's been reported in Jharkhand. ED officers have managed to recover nearly 25 crores in cash from a Congress leader or a minister, Alamgir Alam's personal secretary's house help. At the house help's residence, nearly 25 crores in cash has been recovered. ED raids are currently underway at 6 locations of Jharkhand. The agency estimates the cash seizure could go up to nearly 30 crores. In fact, more information coming in of more cash being seized from another location as well. The counting machines are now pressed into action to count that money. Alamgir Alam is a rural development minister in Jharkhand government. He's part of the Congress party. Congress and the JMM are in an alliance in Jharkhand. BJP alleges that the money seized by ED is from Jharkhand's impoverished population, implying corruption within the Jharkhand Sarkar. Congress and JMM defending this, calling this an ED witch hunt.
राहुल गांधी जी का नारा है, कांग्रेस का हाथ करप्शन के साथ। हम डरेंगे नहीं, हम करप्शन करेंगे, हम भागेंगे नहीं, हम लूटेंगे देश को। अब कांग्रेस के झारखंड के मंत्री आलमगीर आलम के घर से, उनका एक सेक्रेटरी और उसके आगे स्टाफ के घर से करोड़ों रुपया मिला है, करोड़ों रुपया। और इतना पैसा मिला है, कमरों में बिछा हुआ करोड़ों रुपया, मशीनें मंगानी पड़ रही हैं गिनने के लिए।
काले धन का बरामद होना, 25 करोड़ से ऊपर राशि नगद प्राप्त होना, जिसका संबंध अवैध कमाई से है और वो कमाई सत्ताधारी दल के मंत्रियों की है। ये हम सब लोगों को मर्माहत करने वाली है। झारखंड की जनता आज अपमानित महसूस कर रही है। जिनके हाथ में सेवा करने का दायित्व सौंपा गया था, वो झारखंड के गरीब, आदिवासी, दलित, पिछड़े और सभी समाजों के लिए जो कल्याण के पैसे थे, उसको लूटने का काम किया।
हेमंत सोरेन सरकार पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 के करप्शन की अनंत कथा जो है गाथा, वो समाप्ति होने का नाम नहीं लेती। अब एक मंत्री के पीए के हाथ से 20 करोड़ रुपए बरामदगी की सूचना मीडिया में आ रही है और अभी भी गिनती जारी है। तो हमारी मांग है कि जिस मंत्री के वो पीए हैं, आलमगीर आलम से भी पूछताछ होनी चाहिए और इलेक्शन कमीशन को इस बात की जांच करनी चाहिए कि क्या ये काला धन था जिसका कांग्रेस चुनाव में दुरुपयोग करना चाहती थी।
अब यहाँ राष्ट्रपति शासन के अलावा कोई विकल्प नहीं है। आप समझिए, विधायक दल का नेता है ये आलमगीर आलम, और ये बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों को बढ़ावा देने वाला एक बड़ा समर्थक आदमी है। पूरी संथाल प्रणाली की डेमोग्राफी बदल गई। पूरा का पूरा इसकी तो जांच होनी चाहिए कि आईएसआई की फंडिंग इसको मिलती है धर्मांतरण कराने के लिए और बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों को यहाँ का नागरिक बनाने के लिए। पैसा वो भी हो सकता है, एनआईए को जांच करनी चाहिए इसकी।
आई थिंक वी हैव टू वेट फर्स्ट एंड उसके बाद हम कुछ बता पाएंगे। अभी मुझे जानकारी नहीं मिली है, लेकिन जहाँ तक ये जानकारी है मुझे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी आदरणीय श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी, राहुल गांधी जी करप्शन के खिलाफ हैं और जो लोग भी करप्शन किया है कांग्रेस पार्टी ने उसका खिलाफ किया है। झारखंड एक बैकवर्ड स्टेट है और यहाँ इस तरह की बातें सामने आना ये कहीं न कहीं दाग लगता है। ईडी ने जो कार्रवाई की है, अगर सही में पैसे पकड़े गए हैं तो ये गलत बात है। मैं उनका खंडन करता हूँ और साथ ही साथ मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ आपके चैनल के माध्यम से कि वाई इन कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट स्टेट, क्या बीजेपी स्टेट में ये सब करप्शन नहीं हो रहा है क्या? ये वहाँ के क्या नेता ईमानदार है? ओनली झारखंड, ओनली बंगाल, वाई? चुनाव के समय में ये ईडी की छापामारी चल रही है भाई। चुनाव में हम लोग प्रचार में व्यस्त हैं और हमें लगता है कि टारगेट किया जा रहा है हमारे नेताओं को। मैं ईडी के खिलाफ में कुछ बोल नहीं रहा हूँ, लेकिन इतना कहूंगा कि वो अपना कार्रवाई करे।
All right, I'm cutting across to Satyajit, joining us live for more on that. Satyajit, in fact, it's barely been 6 months since Dheeraj Saha, Congress MP, the Odisha region, who was caught with nearly 300 crores cash from his residence. And now you have Alamgir Alam, a minister in the Jharkhand government, whose close aide's house help has nearly 25 crores in cash stashed at home. Has there been any link established between the house help and the minister, Mantri Alamgir Alam from Jharkhand?
Of course, it might take some time. The ED is investigating the matter, and of course, they will ask for the money trail from where did the cash influx came to the location of Jahangir, who is the household help of minister's aid. This will be a question that will be asked to Jahangir, and of course, amid all of this, the politics has started to roll out. BJP straightly is placing the Minister Rural Development in the dogs, that this money trail belongs to him, and this has something to do with the elections also. This money was amassed to use it in the election, to influence the election. These are the charges which are being leveled across, serious charges leveled across Congress by the BJP. The Rajya Sabha MP Deepak Prakash said that this is really humiliating, and it has been asked by the BJP to detain the minister also, and to investigate him, to interrogate him, to ask him from where the money trail came, and such a huge amount to the tune of 25 to 30 crores was has been recovered from his household aid. So from what is the source of the money, what is the source of the funds, should be asked, but it could take some time, and the raids are still on. It's going on on 6 locations, including the minister's PA location, Sanjeev Lal, and of course, huge amount of cash has been recovered. ED will certainly interrogate into the matter, and they might have conducted the raid after having substance, after having definite inputs. This raid would have been carried out. This is what is being expected, and it could take some time. By the evening, picture is a bit dicey, but by the evening, it is expected that something will be tweeted by ED also, that from where, what was the source of the money, and how much amount has been recovered.
Right.
In the meantime, the bank officers were seen going inside the at Jahangir's location for the counting of the funds which has been recovered. It could take some time.
Stay with us. I'm going to cut across to Munish as well, who tracks ED closely. Munish, what really prompted the Enforcement Directorate to knock on the doors of Alamgiri's secretary's house help? And look what they found.
Well, Nabila, very interesting question. As far as the unfolding of these events are concerned, it becomes very interesting. Recently, there was a chief engineer of the Rural Development Department in the Jharkhand government was interrogated and arrested by the Enforcement Directorate, and the allegation against him was that he took a bribe of 10,000 rupees, merely 10,000 rupees. He was arrested, but later, when he was interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate, he disclosed certain names, claiming that the bribery amount was also being distributed between certain officials, and also it was being linked to then minister, that is Mr. Alamgir Alam. At this point of time, we have been given to understand is that from last 5 to 6 months, the Enforcement Directorate was gathering some intelligence that where this cash amount was being kept, and that is when they got to know about the household help of Mr. Jahangir Alam in this case. As of now, we have been given to understand is that around 30 crore rupees of cash amount has been recovered from the household help of the PS of the minister, and the amount is still being counted. There is another location from where 3 crore rupees in cash has been recovered by the Enforcement Directorate. And Nabila, it is also interesting to point out is that few months back, a letter was written by the Enforcement Directorate to the department, to the minister, that there is a rampant corruption going on in your department, in your ministry. Do take cognizance of this matter and accordingly take action against your officials. But instead of taking action, that particular letter of the Enforcement Directorate was circulated within the corrupt departments, and these are the allegations which ED has made. During the raids, that letter has also been recovered by the ED. Nabila.
I really like the design. The ED has really very calmly placed the cash that they've recovered from the house help's home and aligned it in the shape of the letters ED.